20 states and union territories. We've also partnered with 25 government bodies and emporiums to showcase over 270 unique crafts. Characteristic of the handloom and handicraft industry is that most artisans are not financially or technically advanced, and we also understand that they may lack the knowledge required to launch and scale on Amazon. Hence, Karigar works to provide easy access to the marketplace for all new handloom and handicraft sellers. We invest our resources in handholding them through onboarding, training, launching them, and we also offer referral fee relaxations. We provide growth inputs and constantly drive visibility to their selection through Amazon Karigar store. We are invested in making sure they see success online. I'll pause to play a small video to showcase journey of our Karigars, focusing on the intricacies of the finest details of every craft.
मिट्टी में कितना कुछ छुपा के रखती है ज़मीं, कारीगरों की उंगलियां सब झांक लेती हैं। पीतल पे चेहरे देखना, पीपल में सूरतें, सुर ढूंढते हैं बांस में, पत्थर में मूर्तें। कारीगरों की उंगलियां उतार लेती हैं, पोरों से धागे खोल के संवार देती हैं। काम इनके देखें गुफाओं में, चट्टानों में, नायाब लोग हैं ये घास के मकानों में। मिट्टी में कुछ छुपा है, कुछ लकड़ी में, धात में। इस कारीगर को देखिए, हुनर है हाथ में। मिट्टी में कितना कुछ छुपा के रखती है ज़मीन।
सजाइए अपने घर को 10 लाख से भी ज्यादा कारीगरों के हुनर से। Amazon कारीगर।
Similarly, we also have a program, Amazon Saheli, for women entrepreneurs. Launched in 2017, Saheli enables women entrepreneurs like homemakers, artisans, etc. to become successful sellers on Amazon.in. With the Saheli store, we provide market access to their products across categories such as grocery, apparel, home decor, etc. And we have also partnered with over 50 government bodies, NGOs, not-for-profits such as National Urban Livelihood Mission, Seva, Tata Powers, Read India, to reach over 280,000 women entrepreneurs at the grassroots level. We provide similar launch support to Saheli sellers. I'll pause to show a little video on how Amazon Saheli helps self-made women reach customers across the country.
एक सेकेंड।
मम्मा,
क्या बात है? आज स्कूल से आते ही होमवर्क?
आज टीचर ने बड़ा अच्छा होमवर्क दिया है।
अच्छा, और क्या होमवर्क दिया उन्होंने आपको?
तुम्हें बड़े होकर क्या बनना है?
तो मेरी दिया, बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहती है?
मैं ना एस्ट्रोनॉट बनूंगी।
एस्ट्रोनॉट?
वो जैसे स्पेस में उड़ते ना, वैसे मुझे भी उड़ना है।
अच्छा है, आप एस्ट्रोनॉट बन जाना।
मम्मा, आपको पता है उस दिन स्कूल में टीचर को मेरी ड्राइंग इतनी अच्छी लगी कि उन्होंने पूरे क्लास को दिखाई। So I think I wanna be a painter.
पेंटर?
हाँ, पेंटर।
ये भी अच्छा है।
तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया, मैं क्रिकेटर, पेंटर और एस्ट्रोनॉट बनूंगी।
ठीक है, तीनों बन जाना।
मम्मा, आप बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे?
खुली आँखों से सपने बुनते बुनते, खुली आँखों से सपने बुनते बुनते
कुछ बनाती हैं उसमें अपनी पहचान छोड़ जाती हैं। Amazon सहेली, women made.
We have shared the application page link in the chat box below. All eligible sellers, please apply to the program. Today, we will discuss how to leverage e-commerce for your business, for all our karigars out there. We will talk about building a successful handicraft and handloom business on Amazon. We will talk about some interesting aspects of this industry in India, why you should sell online, how to launch on Amazon, how to leverage the Karigar program, and most importantly, what are the input levers that we see that makes a good recipe to help you succeed in this business. Handloom and handicraft is one of the biggest and oldest industries in India. The crafts and arts of India carry significant cultural and historical significance. Let me share some numbers to help you understand how big the industry is. As per a recent report, employment is expected to hit almost 18 million in this industry by 2022. Over 744 handicraft clusters in India are engaged in making over 35,000 different kind of products across different crafts. As per Business Today report, the handicraft and handloom sector in India is almost a rupees 25,000 crore industry and contributes nearly rupees 10,000 crore annually in export earnings. So there is a huge potential that can be tapped by the handloom and handicraft sellers in India. You may be wondering, if you're not an artisan yourself, how do I source these products? How do I make these products? You can become an aggregator and work with artisans and provide market linkage to their products. Some major handloom clusters in India are Varanasi, Godda, Shivsagar, Prakasam, Guntur, Trichy. And there are several major handicraft clusters like Surat, Bareilly, Varanasi, Agra, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Chennai, etc. An aggregator could explore these clusters. You could reach out to artisans and weavers here and source their products to build your upstream channel, which will help you set up your business in handicrafts and handloom. So if you're an aggregator, you could explore these clusters, reach out to artisans and weavers here and work with them to build your upstream channels to source their products, and you could become a seller on Amazon and sell them across the country. Once you have set up the upstream channel or you are an artisanal seller yourself, you may wonder, is e-commerce really going to increase my sales? Is it worth my effort? How difficult is it to become a seller on Amazon? Today, consumers are increasingly buying online. The shift has been accelerated after COVID-19. Amazon will be an additional channel of sales for you. We also have sellers who only sell online with no offline presence. So what do you need? All you need is a GST, a PAN, and a bank account. List your products and start selling. Yes, it is really that simple. With Amazon, you can build your shop online and sell across categories. You can be at one location and sell your products to crores of customers across the country. Our sellers from West Bengal sell to customers all the way in Kanyakumari to Jaipur. Our sellers from Nagpur are shipping products to Shillong. There are other benefits as well. Secure on-time payments. You can opt for hassle-free delivery. All of this by selling on Amazon. Let me shed some more light on Karigar program and the store. Amazon Karigar is specially made to help you set up your shop on Amazon. It is a program to enable artisans and sellers crafting authentic handmade products become successful on Amazon. Now you could be selling across handloom, you could be selling saris, scarf, menswear, you could be selling home decor products, painting, brassware or woodenware or beads. Anything and everything that is handmade could be listed on Amazon Karigar. We also have an Amazon Karigar store. This is an additional channel specifically meant to showcase your products to our customers. Now, when you list your product through Amazon Karigar, your products will be available on the regular Amazon.in page on the Amazon.in search. And over and above that, it will also be visible on the Amazon Karigar store. It is an additional channel to promote handloom and handicraft products to customers. As you can see, there are different emporiums like Tribes India, Biswa Bangla, Tantuja, Mrigneni, Apco, who are also selling their products through the Amazon Karigar store. Are there some special support carved out for you? Yes, there are some special benefits meant for artisanal sellers. Subsidized referral fee. Reduced referral fee will stand at 8% or less depending upon the category. For example, a regular seller pays, let's say, 19% for a category when he sells as a regular seller on the platform. A handmade seller from Karigar selling in the same category will not pay more than 8% as a referral fee. We provide this support because we understand that handmade and handicraft category needs and is more labor intensive. We provide training support on how to sell on Amazon. We will help you understand the different tools at Amazon and also the nuances of selling on e-commerce. We will provide account management support at launch to help you and guide you. Our account manager will guide you in the initial days as a seller on the marketplace. One of the most key things about selling on Amazon is when the customer comes and looks at your products, the first thing he sees are your images. He reads the product details. These two are extremely essential to succeed. So at launch, we offer you HD imaging and cataloging support. This will help you understand how you can go about it once you slowly and gradually start scaling up on Amazon. We provide you increased customer visibility so your products can reach more customers. We will help you get noticed by more and more consumers in India. You can leverage our marketing support, be it online, within the app, or through our social media handles, etc. I want to tell you a little bit more about the different marketing initiatives we do to promote handmade products. We promote Karigar products on key events such as Handloom Day, Small Business Day sales, Republic Day, Independence Day, etc. We run campaigns on homepage of Amazon so customers can see and explore your products. To help our artisanal sellers bounce back after the impact of the COVID-19 lockdown, we launched a 10-week initiative in July 2020 to help over 10 lakh artisans, weavers and women entrepreneurs where the complete referral fee was waived off. Stand for Handmade. Stand for Handmade saw sales more than double and gave a sustained lift to our sellers. We often conduct virtual handicraft mela, handicraft bazaar to give our consumers a virtual experience of the flea markets and the offline physical fairs that they so much love and have been missing for quite some time. You can leverage such initiatives for growing your business online. We actively promote Karigar products through our Instagram and other social media handles as well. We collaborate with influencers to drive up consumer awareness. We run digital ads, which you can leverage to grow your business. So it is both in-app and other digital marketing activities that we conduct to help our Karigar sellers see some success. How do you start selling your handloom and handicraft products online? Step 1. Application. Fill in the application form given in the chat box below. On meeting the eligibility criteria, you will become a part of the program. What is the eligibility? Your products have to be handmade. There are different handloom and handicraft certification available that can help. Some video proof to showcase that the product is handmade will also help. Once invited into the program, we will offer you training support on how to sell and how to become part of Amazon Karigar. We will also offer imaging and cataloging support. Get your products photo shoot done in an HD studio or as applicable, and we will also help you with all the cataloging effort required to list your product on Amazon. Our account manager will get in touch with you to help you launch yourself on Amazon. Once all of these are done, just click on the button and your account will get launched. Your products will be available on Amazon.in. It will also be available through the additional Amazon Karigar store for consumers to check out. The most important question: what is the recipe to put in for success? Are there some tried and tested formulas that can help you put in the best foot forward to successfully scale up your business on Amazon? Here are some recommendations that can help you succeed as an handloom and handicraft product seller on Amazon. Step 1. The behavior online is very similar to the shopping behavior in the physical store. Whenever we go shopping, we ask for more options. Consumers want choice. The same is true for online shopping as well. We recommend that you list more than 100 products. The more, the better. Offer variety. While I understand that handmade and handloom products are handmade, hence you may not have a lot of inventory of the same product, try and add more inventory against each product. Also have a mechanism to replenish the products that are very popular. Look at contemporary designs. Consumers like them a lot. So step 1 is list more products, more inventory, different designs, contemporary if possible. This is the most basic factor required for success. When the consumer logs onto the Amazon app, the first thing he sees when buying a product are the images. HD images, different angles, product close-up, helps the consumer make the decision whether or not he wants to spend more time on checking out the products. We will provide you the initial hand-holding support and give you HD imaging support. We will help you identify a good service provider. Going forward, we recommend that you use a service provider, a professional HD photographer to help you capture the product details and use them to list your products online. Cataloging details. Consumers want to understand what the product is. Let's say, for example, it's a Sambalpuri sari. Sometimes they go ahead and type in while searching for products on Amazon.in. So make sure you add all of these details so that your product pops up when the consumer searches for them. Detailed cataloging, capturing different aspects of the product, will help you come up faster and sooner when the consumer is searching for that product. Detailed cataloging is very important to leverage the searches and to make sure more and more consumers are looking at your products. Prime badges. Most of our Prime customers prefer Prime products. Why? Hassle-free delivery, quick delivery, 1 day, 4-day delivery. They want a smooth experience in terms of delivery of the product, and Prime badge conveys this message to our consumers. Offer Prime services to the consumers. Now, how will you be able to do that? If you are shipping it yourself, if it's an easy ship, in easy ship, you have to meet certain health criteria. Make sure you're shipping products on time, you're not cancelling consumers' products, etc. You can also outsource the whole shipping and delivery and order management to Amazon. Amazon offers fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon will take care of managing orders, shipping orders, packing end-to-end, so that you can focus only on making and listing these products. Amazon will ensure that in FBA, your products are shipped on time and that consumers get a good delivery experience. So these are the two ways by which you can make sure that the consumer gets his product on time. Good customer experience is very critical. Good packaging, shipping on time is essential. On Amazon, there are crores of products available to buy. So it is very important to stand out. This behavior is very similar to the offline behavior where sellers often do marketing and advertisement to reach out to consumers. You would have seen billboards, you would have seen sandies, newspaper prints, even video ads. All of these marketing activities help you connect with the consumer. Even online, you can do something very similar to reach out to consumers. You can run sponsored ads. You can participate in different sale events that we do, offer discounts, deals, etc. When you participate in all of these events, consumers get a chance to try out your products. This is especially important when a new consumer has not yet tried some of your products. So replicating a similar marketing behavior the way you do in offline world is for you to get noticed by the consumer. You to stand out and for you to get noticed by the consumers. Are there any other things that you can do with respect to handloom and handicraft products? Yes. A handloom and handicraft certificates will help you achieve the trust with the consumer that the product is certified and is authentic. There are different government bodies providing these certificates. There is the IHP mark, then there are other bodies like Craftmark will also help you certify that this product is unique and it's handmade. In fact, I would also recommend putting in such certificate or some note along with the product when you ship it out to consumers. It helps them connect and appreciate the value of the handmade products that you're shipping to them. Hope some of these tips do help you to see some success on online business. These are some of our government partners and sellers who are implementing some of these ideas to see success. Tribes India, Tantuja. We also have partnered with Silk Mark of India, DC Handloom, and so on. Let's see what some of our government partners and sellers have to say about us. With Amazon, Tribes India is now spreading its wing in digital age by retailing exquisite Indian tribal artifacts across the world. Aditya Blue Art Pottery grew from a team of just 6 members to 50, and they have seen continuous increase in sales since launch. While the rest of the people in his village have taken to the more traditional cattle rearing, selling of milk, Maji Khan has ventured into creating his own art, mud art, and marketing his products for a living through e-commerce on Amazon Karigar. A 12 by 12 inch can take him anywhere between 3 to 4 hours or a couple of days, depending on the size and design and complexity. He says, after going online on Amazon, there has been a steady growth in the orders. You could be one of these successful sellers. You could grow your handloom and handicraft business on Amazon. Amazon Karigar could be the additional sales channel that will help you grow your business further and across the country. Hoping to see some of you join us very soon and leveraging some of the tips we shared to see more success in the coming days. We look forward to hearing your feedback, and we thank you for joining this Sambhav Masterclass to understand more about handmade and handicraft product businesses on Amazon Karigar.
Thank you for watching this video. Hello. Hello. Do you have any questions about the Karigar and Sahili? Then I go pass it for next process about the onboarding. Any question? पूछिए, कुछ पूछिए. कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग. ये वीडियो इसीलिए मैंने आप लोग को दिखाया तो आप लोग को इजीली समझ में आ जाए जो सहेली और कारीगर प्रोजेक्ट कैसे चला रहे हैं अमेज़न. नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस में आ जाए. Okay. What exactly documents are required for onboarding? Everybody understand what exactly requirement? GST, PAN card, bank account details, and self-signature. And your new mail ID and mobile number, which is not existing in Amazon as a customer, as a seller, for new customer. Yeah, understand. So. Any existing seller is there? Everybody is a new seller, right? Yeah. Please click this one. This one here. No signal. It's coming in full slide mode. How to sell on Amazon. 2013, Amazon has launched with 100 seller. Now in 21, it's 9 lakh seller already selling in Amazon. And 100% serviceable pin code in India. $12 lakh artisan, 7 lakh women entrepreneur, 60 plus fulfillment center existing. How to onboard in Amazon as a karigar as a salary. So you can go through Googling, and another option is there, link I'll only share you after the finishing the training. What exactly documents required for the sign up? Personal mail ID, mobile number, and address proof. Already I told you. And the photography is the signatures, self signatures, scan copy is required, GST, PAN card, bank details. Check is not required. Right now, I'm going to tell you the practical process how to sign up. Yeah, now I'm going to tell you the karigar process. That is a link now going to open in Google Chrome. Can you zoom in? Come here. मैं अभी दिखाने वाला हूँ, इट्स प्रैक्टिकल प्रोसेस। अभी वो ब्राउज़र ओपन कर रहा हूँ। बंद करना पड़ेगा क्या?
Wait a minute. I have to close this full slide mode.
Okay, now I'm going to close that. That is okay. Okay. So please process. So internet connection is too slow. Yeah, this is the Karigar. Before going to sign up, you need to apply here your informations for handicapped products. This is the links. If you want, I will give you all the things via mail. Excuse me, can I come here? Please wait. Now I am going to tell you the practical process. So if you will be understand to how to work there. Do you have an internet connection?
I have a Wi-Fi.
This is not working properly actually. Yeah. Please, thank you. सब जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा बैठाइए ना, प्रैक्टिकल दिखा रहा हूँ। Okay, now it's better. यहाँ पे इंटरनेट थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है क्या?
This one is very fast.
Okay. Yeah, this is the form. So need to put your business owner name and your company name, like your proprietorship company name, partnership, private limited, whatever you have, and put your mobile number, mail ID. state all the details you sign up. And fulfill the forms, including your GST number. After that, Amazon person will call you directly for the sign up, like your onboarding process. Then he will help you the cataloging, training, imaging, and your boost your sale. Who is listing your Amazon will complete. After that, you get the account manager support. Same things, I will open another portion, another options for Saheli. इसी वे में आप लोग जा सकते हो. साइन अप करने से पहले इसको पहले फॉर्म को फुलफिलमेंट कर दो, उसके बाद ही साइन अप करो. आप लोग सब न्यू सेलर है या ओल्ड सेलर है? न्यू. देखिए, वो वाला मैंने जो दिखाया था वो कारीगर वाला दिखाया था, ये वाला सैली है, वोमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए है. सैली सेम थिंग्स है, आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा सारा इन्फॉर्मेशंस. सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली है क्या? आप जो काम करते हो उसका प्रूफ चाहिए, इमेजेस चाहिए, उसका डिटेल्स, एक लाइव इमेजेस चाहिए. अमेजन ट्रस्ट करे आप कारीगर हैंडीक्राफ्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो, वोमेन इंटरप्रेन्योर होम प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो, अमेजन ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए, तभी जाके अमेजन नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस के लिए आपको ओपन करेगा. एक्चुअली इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या मिलेगा आपको? एक बेनिफिशियरी मिलेगा, मतलब आपको रिलैक्सेशन मिलेगा. अमेजन जो कमीशन करता है वो कमीशन से रिड्यूस करके आपको 8% में लेके आएगा. एंड द थिंग इज दैट आपको मिलेगा अकाउंट मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट, कैटलॉगिंग के लिए हेल्प मिलेगा, HD इमेज अमेजन आपको हेल्प करेगा लेने के लिए, प्रोडक्ट लिस्टिंग के लिए आपको हेल्प करेगा, उस सेल को बूस्ट करने के लिए. आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस है जो इस टाइप प्रोडक्ट परचेस करने के लिए फाइंड आउट करते हैं अमेजन में, उस टारगेट ऑडियंस के पास कैसे आपका प्रोडक्ट रीच हो, उसके लिए अमेजन टीम आपको हेल्प करेगा. लाइक ए बूस्ट अप. क्यों करेगा आपको हेल्प? क्योंकि कारीगर और वोमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए उनके पास टेक्निकली इतना स्मार्टनेस नहीं है, वो कंप्यूटर में इतने इजीली अपलोड नहीं हुआ, टेक्निकली स्मार्ट नहीं है बेसिकली. इसीलिए अमेजन ने प्रोग्राम चालू किया, इजीली आप वो काम को फुलफिल कर सकते हो. आपका जो प्रोडक्ट लोकली आप बेचते हो वो डोमेस्टिक लेवल में आपका प्रोडक्ट रीच हो जाएगा. क्योंकि आप लोग के मणिपुर में जो प्रोडक्ट है ऑल ओवर इंडिया में कहीं पे नहीं मिलेगा. हर स्टेट में एक रीजनल प्रोडक्ट रहता है, जो उस प्रोडक्ट को डोमेस्टिक लेवल में सेल करने के लिए अमेजन एक प्लेटफॉर्म आप लोग को दे रहा है. ये सब फॉर्म फिलअप करने के लिए बाद अमेजन क्या करेगा? टीम आपको डायरेक्ट फोन करेगा. ये डायरेक्ट आप साइन अप भी कर सकते हो. बेसिकली दो चीज़ जो आपको करना पड़ेगा, आपका लाइव इमेजेस, आपका खुद का वेबसाइट है वो भी दे सकते हो. ये नहीं भी है डोंट वरी, आप करते हो, आपके पास टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं है, वेबसाइट भी नहीं है आपके पास, आप मोबाइल से स्नैप लो टोटल जहाँ पे आप मैन्युफैक्चर करते, लाइव इमेजेस, वीडियो भी ले लो, वो अपलोड कर दो. अमेजन उसको जस्टिफाई करेगा, उसके बाद आपको ऑनबोर्डिंग के लिए ओपन कर देगा. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए ना, अच्छा लगेगा बोलने में. क्या चार्जेस? माइक दीजिए ना प्लीज, प्लीज माइक दीजिए ना उनको. प्लीज बैठिए. या कैन आई गिव द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द नहीं, that's a free, everything is free. So whenever you get the order, that time Amazon taking the charges for the referral fees as a commission, because आप Amazon प्लेटफॉर्म यूज कर रहे हैं. दिस इज अ रिलैक्सेशन. 19% Amazon डिडक्ट करता है आपको रिलैक्सेशन करने के, रिलैक्सेशन देके 8% रेफरल फीस. That's not required. Anything else? Amazon give you the payments after getting the orders. Yeah, please. How much Amazon deduct? Yeah, Amazon 8% will be deduct. for the referral fees, and transportation will be extra. Will be extra. Depend, you can also take the transportation for buyer. Buyer will pay. Another thing is that two kind of process your inventory manage. The local manufacturer, suppose you have a things, you have more manufactured product already exist in your warehouse, in your store. So you can send your Northeast Assam warehouse center. That's called FBA process. Two kind of processes there, MFN process and FBA process. MFN is a merchant fulfillment network. Whenever you get the orders, Amazon person, courier person come your doorstep for pickup. You keep your product and packaging all the things and take your print out your invoice from Amazon portal. Yeah, Amazon person will come your doorstep for pickup. Which slot? What time you available? Amazon give you the slot. Yeah, tell me. इस एरिया में नहीं था, नॉर्थ ईस्ट एरिया इट्स नॉट कवर्ड. नाउ इट्स एवरीथिंग इज ओके. सो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, बेसिकली आपका डोर स्टेप पिकअप करने के लिए आएगा अमेजन कुरियर पर्सन, तो वो पिक करके चला जाएगा. आपको क्या करना, आप टाइम लाइन है 11 to 4:15 तो अवेलेबल टाइम्स, कोई भी स्लॉट आप चूज कर लीजिए, उसी टाइम लाइन में आपका वहाँ पे आ जाएगा कुरियर पर्सन हु पिक योर प्रोडक्ट्स. सपोज आपको लगता है मैं ये सब कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा, आई डोंट हैव अ टाइम, सो दैट टाइम यू गो फॉर द FBA प्रोसेस. FBA it's fulfillment by Amazon. So before you get the order, you need to shift your product Amazon warehouse. Amazon warehouse में अपना प्रोडक्ट आप छोड़ दीजिए, असम में है, एक ही नॉर्थ ईस्ट में असम में ही है. हाँ, तो वहाँ पे आपको वेयर हाउस में आप छोड़ना पड़ेगा प्रोडक्ट. तो जैसे जैसे ऑर्डर आएगा अमेजन खुद से पैकेजिंग करेगा, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग हैंडल बाय अमेजन. ओके, सो अमेजन टीम विल बी कनेक्ट यू डायरेक्टली timeline wise and give you slot for the training purpose, whatever your requirement wise. Yeah. So do you have a GST number? You don't have. So you, whenever you sell in Amazon, no, that time GST is must required. Suppose you are after GST your registration and full process you complete, you selling in Amazon domestic level, it's like Amazon.in. After fulfilling the process, no, you can sell your product globally, Amazon.com, Amazon.uk. Okay. So at first you need to, it's very easy process. You can just talk to your CA and local service provider. And Amazon service provider also help you for the GST registration, if you require. That's minimum 10 quantity is required. 10 quantity, it's like a 10 kind of products. Quantity, it's different. Like you have a 10 products. Each product quantity, it's required 2, 4, whatever you have stock. You can put that stock. Whenever you don't have a stock, suppose your all blind is sold out one product, you can just go there and put your 2 quantities available. Suppose you have a enter 3, you get some order 3 order, but you don't have. So that time you get penalty, no? So that's the issue. So whenever you have an updated product, you just put there. So customer will know that time you will order, you get order 2 or whatever you have entered there. Fulfill your inventory actually. On portal you get that, each and everything. You can also put your mobile, you can check through your cell phone. It's very portable thinking is there. Okay, any more questions? Yeah. You have it done?
Like when, no, I haven't, but suppose.
Yeah. Please tell me.
I have done. So like when I allow to sell my products, do I have to send my products to Amazon warehouse or I can send directly to my customers? I hope it's correct. Do I need to send my products?
Okay, understand. I understand your concerns. I explained about the dynamically way. Excuse me, sir. Technical persons, can I give you the microphone? External microphone, I will point you and explain about that. Do you have extra microphone? Look like it. So give me the chance. Yes, ma'am, hold down. I'll explain you dynamical way. Can you give me the microphone? Another external microphone.
Hello, hello.
Yes, yes. It's, yeah. Send me the microphone. Here. Yeah. I openly discussion about that. It's an open forum required, no? It's open, no?
Yeah.
It's open. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. It's before I going to explain about, you are just asking the question, understood about that. So this is the way of things. What kind of process, inventory management process. Sign up, you understand, no? How to sign up there. So after sign up, after listing that, how to manage your inventory. Two kind of the process. One is the MFN, Merchant Fulfillment Network. It's like a merchant fulfillment network. It means you can fulfill all the things. You will get only for the transportation service by Amazon. Okay. And the thing is that fulfillment by Amazon. It means Amazon each and everything handled by Amazon. MFN, like a, suppose you get orders. It's your inventory means merchant in warehouse maintain all the inventory. Whenever you get the orders, you fulfill your packaging, all the things. After that, Amazon person come your doorstep who pick your product. This is the merchant process. Another thing is that before you get the orders, you send to Amazon warehouse. Amazon handle your inventory. Understood? So after getting the orders, Amazon will packaging all the things handled by Amazon. Okay. This is the process. Any more question, please? Okay. Yeah, please. Yeah. Your microphone, please. Yeah, please. Yeah. That will be deducted only for the 8% is the subsidized, you will get that. That's a referral fees. And the thing is the warehouse charges will be included. Yeah. It's a nominal fees, like a 0.25 per month. Yeah, Amazon will handle all the things. Yeah, ask me more question. You are a little bit confused. Please explain about that. Yeah, please. You are just unable to understand. Just you explain. Yeah. That will be including 90 days will be free. 90 days, your warehouse to Amazon warehouse transmission charges 90 days will be free. that will be charged. Because Amazon courier person collect your warehouse to Amazon warehouse, no? For the trial purpose. That's a depend your size, box size, dimension wise. Cost will increase your product. What kind of overcharges? Product? हाँ बोलिए बोलिए. हाँ. For trial basis. Okay, next. नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको पे करना पड़ेगा. और वायर हाउस मेंटेन प्रोसेस आपको पता चल गया ना? ओके. नेक्स्ट, एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? ओके. That's a government body who will help you. It's a, you talk to your Manipur government, but I don't know. But the government body will help you actually. So you can talk to seller support teams whenever you have submit the Amazon. No, whenever you have to onboarded process is complete. You are selling in Amazon. That time you could talk to Amazon. Amazon help you the for the help you the process for how to get the certificate.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay. Any more questions? Now going to tell you the sign up process. Do you have anybody have a GST certificate? Now going to explain about the practical process.
Yes, we do have.
Yeah, can you come up? Yeah, come up.
I do have GST certificate.
Yeah. Do you have a GST number right now?
Right now, let me search out.
Yeah, you can check that. So right now you have to come here. I just put at all the things, how to sign up there.
All right.
I will give you the practical process. Everybody will understand easily. Do you have a handicrafted product, right? Can you show me your products?
Yeah, my products.
Two kind of program is there. One is the woman entrepreneur and another is the handicrafted. It's like a karigar.
These are some of our products.
Yeah. This is the homemade products,
Yeah, homemade products.
and it's handicraft products.
Yes.
That is lots of employees there, right?
Yeah, 20.
So you the handicraft products.
Yeah.
Come.
You want GST and all?
Yeah. Right now you have to put your all the things, whatever you have.
I'll do that later. I'll do it by myself. I can do it.
Yeah, you can do also later. That's a process. You understand, no?
Yeah, I can do it by myself for me.
This is the your portions. I'll help. I will send you the link. You can also find through Google.
Yeah, I got it.
So you had just put all the things. So okay, the hot kind of machine, your handmade machines, homemade, machine made, whatever you have, and your all the information you can just put out. Amazon will verify about that.
All right.
Because Amazon give the opportunity before this is the program.
I'll do that by myself.
So
I
how
can
to
do
get
it.
that?
Yeah,
So you can also put at the other process. Just get the put through programs. So after that you have PAN GST. I have GST only. I have both, because already you both
GST
know
input
GST.
PAN,
It's been
both,
PAN
yeah.
all
I do have.
will exist. It's machine, handmade, whatever you have, and pull all the business informations. And Amazon team will direct connect you. After that, this is the process here. Do you know the seller center?
Seller Center, I got it. Yeah. Hope everyone have learned it. Nah.
Yeah, everybody will know that's I going to practically do that, no?
So over. I'll go.
Yeah, that's the
Alright.
things.
All right.
So new mail IDs, new phone number, but you have a customer accounts, no?
Yeah, I do.
So that time it's a different mail ID, different mobile number is a record because already as a customer enrolled, no? So different number, different mail ID is required. New one required actually.
All right. Thank you so
So
much.
okay,
All right. I'll go.
okay. Anybody here? Do you have a GST number and PAN cards? Already you have it right now. This is the onboarding process. Put your name.
Sir, I have
Signatory
GST
name.
number.
Yeah, come up. Uzao. Right now you have? Yeah, please come up. Please.
Also, first side registration.
Your food product is there, right? Yeah. That are you woman entrepreneur?
Yes.
Woman. That's like a Saheli project.
GST
So
registration.
yeah, how to you know that? So this is the link. You know that link?
Amazon.
Need you help? आपको चाहिए हेल्प मतलब ये जो लिंक है ना इस लिंक के जरिए आपको पहले साइन अप करना पड़ेगा मैं बता देता हूँ ये लिंक है आप अप्लाई करो लो ना कोई इशू नहीं मैं आपको हेल्प भी करूँगा आइए ना प्लीज़ तो ये जो लिंक है ना पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर आपको यहाँ पे एग्जिस्टिंग अमेजन सेलर न्यू इंडिविजुअल सेलर है ना आप Proprietorship company आपका? So, you fulfill your informations. You can put your name, all the things.
Oh.
Can I type it?
Sorry. Wait. Oh,
Yeah.
I.
Okay, don't worry. That's okay.
Last name.
That's your full name?
And it is surname.
Uppercase. That's your surname, right? And put your mail IDs.
Email ID.
New one,
E1. Oh.
which is not exist in Amazon as a customer.
How to write at the rate?
Yeah, at the rate. You just go to
Oh, okay.
look at here.
Oh.
Check your spell.
Wow.
Spelling also. Check it everyone. How to sign up there. The onboarding process. Yeah, put your
Phone
mobile
number.
number. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Oh,
It's be normal.
5729876 2.
Business name or brand name, whatever you have.
Only the
This option only for the business name or brand name.
business name.
Business name like your proprietorship company, private limited company, partnership, whatever you have.
Proprietorship.
Yeah, put your company name.
Pro-
You have not GST, so you can just, this is the trade name.
Write the company unit name.
Yeah, you put your proprietorship trade name.
Proprietorship
Yes,
trade name.
do you have a GST?
Yes.
Just open, I will help you there.
They will put in
This
the
is your
Yes.
MS. Yeah, you can also put the uppercase. Will help you.
Oh.
Yeah, put it here. Ma'am, understand no how to sign up the process?
Hello? Yes, sir. Meanwhile, can I ask one question?
Please.
Yeah, I would like to know the rate of the transportation charges. Like, how does
Depend
the
your dimension wise.
dimension? What about, does it depend on the cost of the product?
It's a three kind of process is there. 500 gram, 1 to 500 grams. It's locally. It's near about the cities locally. 45 rupees. That's eastern region. Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, sub include. So that's 56 rupees in 500 grams. And after national wise, so that will be 72 rupees, excluding GST.
Okay, it is per product.
Yeah, small product is 500 gram, 1 to 500 gram in between the size. There's a default dimension like a 30, 25, 4.
Yeah, I'm just worried.
30 it's like a length, 20 it's a breadth, at 4 will your height, your package.
I'm just worried about the competitiveness of the products of Manipur because comparatively to Northeast, we don't have such accessible transportation like railways connection and all. So I'm worried about how after the overhead charges of the transportation is being added to the cost of the product, will it be still competitive in the market, the cost of
Competitive market.
yeah. Will it be still?
What kind of product right now you going to sell, ready to sell?
I'm not a seller as such. I'm a Mahatma Gandhi National Fellow and I'm
Okay.
attached with the DC office Imphal East.
Okay.
So I just want to know in general if the product after the addition of the transportation cost for the people in Manipur, we don't have a very transportation, very reliable and very accessible transportation charge.
Transportation is handled by Amazon. Amazon Easy Ship courier partner will handle the process.
But the cost has to be borne by the sellers.
Yeah. Suppose you have your selling value 200 rupees. That time customer will paying for the service for delivery charges. Above 500, including your service charges, your courier charges, all the things in your products. Below 500, you can take charges from the customer. Okay. Depend your volume, depend your service, type of strategy of marketing. What you going to fulfill your product in Amazon. Okay. Any more questions?
Hello, sir. I want to registration. Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Oh yeah. Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Come up.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, down, down the page.
You describe your business organization.
Fruit and vegetable and spices,
Okay.
mainly fruit powder and spices.
And put at the order.
What product
What product do you sell?
Yes.
Yes, please, ma'am. Yes. What kind of product, ma'am? Okay. Do you have a GST, right?
Yeah. Already I registered.
Yeah.
GST का ये.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the company. Your property is a company, right? Yeah. So, can you see what product images do you have?
Yeah, I have.
So, nominal images is records. This is the year GST. Is apparel?
These are my product.
Okay. Show me.
This also. Just
Scroll down. Scroll down.
How
many product do you
want to list on Amazon?
Yeah.
Only 4.
How many? It's a number of.
Only 4.
How many? It's like type of variant kind of products.
Many products you want
Can you
to
put it in?
list on Amazon? Only 4 products.
These are my product.
Can you open it?
Which one? This also.
This one. This is a sari.
No, no, more than three. Sorry.
Okay.
This is one my piece. Product like ये गंबा इन photo दो से
Okay. Okay. This is what kind of product?
Bedsheet and this one.
The
is
bedsheet?
Bedsheet, yeah.
Okay. Mane hand crafted. This is the cotton products.
Cotton product.
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
Homemade product.
Homemade product. Handmade product.
How many employees there?
30 is my.
Okay. It's like a Karigar products.
Yeah.
It's not a woman entrepreneur. The two kind of program is there. One is the Saili, another is the Karigar. I introduced the as a Karigar.
More product is there now.
Yeah.
Let them see.
Keep my number. Okay. When
Okay, okay.
so if you require to just call me directly. I will help you there.
Please tell me.
So write the GST number.
Yeah.
Where to write?
What do you have a GST?
Yes.
Yes. How many women does your organization?
Sir, आपका नाम
Directly.
Thank you.
Indirectly, how many
में
women
आपको
does
sign up
your
करवा
organization directly or indirectly?
It's आप दोनों ओनर है क्या?
उनका किसका? नहीं ऑफिशियल है.
हाँ?
ऑफिशियल है.
Okay.
मेरे डिस्प्ले का भी मेरा सामान है.
Okay.
अभी अभी लगा दिया.
Okay. Other कर दो.
Other.
Oh. Friends, family, okay. It's
Submit.
scroll down. Scroll down. Just click here. Yeah. Do you have a complete all the things? After that, no, Amazon ask you. submit the form. Thank you. You get call from Amazon Saheli team.
Sir, मेरे को भी EMEA के through से register.
Right now you are not required to any kind of sign up, ma'am. Excuse me. Don't require to sign up. Don't require to sign up. Amazon team will call you directly. He will help you to sign up and all the things in training, management, all kind of support get by Amazon.
मैंने EMEA के साथ से register किया ना ट्रेड एक्सपो के लिए.
Okay. Yeah, put it all the things. What do you have?
पहले भी इसका
Yeah.
कैसा करेगा इधर.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Enter your name.
Okay.
Whose name already enter here? Look at here. This is the name. First name. Yeah.
राजकुमार
Devi.
हीरा देवी.
Just a second. Yeah. Put it now.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Please, please.
Sir, in case I am a individual seller,
Yes.
and then if the customer is not satisfied with our product,
What kind of product?
like any apparel, like apparel goes to like matters like size, like, and if they are not satisfied with the product, so they will return to us. So it will go to Amazon warehouse or
Good question. Suppose
our warehouse.
I'm your customer. I'm buying your product.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to return your products. Product is damaged.
Yes.
Something else will be there.
Yeah.
So that time you can raise a case in Amazon portal.
So
That called safety claim. And put your all the information, order ID wise, and put you have not received original condition, and explain about that your product, and Amazon give you refund.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Excuse
sir.
me,
That's
sir.
all.
Excuse me, sir. इधर में स्टेज में.
Okay.
Something wrong. इसका डिलीट करने का मैंने
Okay.
M1 कर दिया ना.
Okay.
राजकुमारी only M. राजकुमार इंदिरा भी इसका भी हो गया ना.
Okay. And put your business name.
बिजनेस
Look at your trade name.
आर्क एम्पोरियम ना.
Yeah.
MS.
MS. Any more questions about the purpose? Yes.
इसका ओब्लिक कहाँ से बजट करने का है? ओ इधर भी.
It's okay. Don't worry. Anything else in asking, I will help you there. Any more question about this? About the selling purpose? What kind of product you want to sell? Already you have not registered. Any help? You can talk with me. Feel free, please.
सर इसका हो गया.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट आने का तो थोड़ा ऐसा कर.
Enter your
फोन नंबर.
phone number.
हाँ. मेरा दो नंबर है ना. दो नंबर सब इधर भी.
That's not required. Only for one number. Which number is active primary number?
ओके.
It's mean whenever you are registered, no, that time you require the new one, mobile number, new phone. New mobile number is mean as a customer you are not registered in Amazon. .in. Suppose you already customer, that time is a problem. You collect new mobile number, new mail IDs required. Yeah. That's a mobile number, 9628.
902512.
And put your informations.
Hello, sir. Sir, what about the international, how to sell to international market?
Yeah. Suppose you want to sell in international market. Suppose you are selling in domestic level.
Yes, sir.
After that you decide, no, you want to sell your product domestic, international level. Different kind of parameters there. Suppose you are selling Amazon.com. So that's you are selling USA.
Yes, sir.
So that time require your national identity, and like you can Aadhaar card also. You can also put your passport, and you require the INR bank account, and your IEC code, ICE code required, import export code, and your PAN number, new register mail ID, and mobile number. That's required enough. After that, you can both level of system is there already. Understand same things. It's domestic level. It's like a MFN or FBA process is there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
सर इसका 2 करना है ना, खाली
इसका
ये हो गया। इसके बाद में @ gmail.com
State
Manipur
Manipur.
पिन कोड 7950001
Handmade no?
Yeah, Handloom handicap production.
I have GST only.
GST.
I have GST PAN card both.
GST number.
What product do you sell?
All things handloom product and handicap.
Handloom.
Handloom and handicap.
Handicap. You put it here. Handicap like apparels.
Handloom and handicap.
You can also put your category wise, like a breads, home and apparels. Any questions? Everybody understand now how to payment cycle? 7 days to 7 days payment you get that. Weekly payment you will get that. Fast payment you get 14 days. After that you recycle 7 to 7 days. Like a weekly basis.
सर नहीं चलता है ना प्रोजेक्ट लिखने के तो
Handloom and handicap.
इसका कट करा handicap प्रोडक्ट
अप्रैल भी बनाते हो क्या?
अप्रैल भी बनाते खुद का गवर्नमेंट का नहीं.
Okay. Others. Please verified all of the things. Check it that. And your mail ID also. Spell.
GST PAN number तो नहीं लिखा है ना.
No, that's right now it's not required because right now you are onboarding the process as a carrier.
Okay sir.
Okay. After that, Amazon person will call you directly.
Okay.
Then you're interested in selling in Amazon. Then you are the process, you are fulfill the form and your other, your GST, PAN card and mail ID, verify your mobile number. That's record. Right now you have fulfilled the program, which program you decide. Now you are enrolled as a karigar. Another person already registered as a woman entrepreneur like a Amazon Sally. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anybody have a GST number? Who ready to sell in Amazon? Suppose you don't have it, you can come up also. So after sign up, how to get visualize the portal? And to see the portal, how to work there. Look at here. This is the portal. Seller portal. This is some seller who is selling the carpet. This is the portal. How to work, how to visualize. On screen. Look at here. This is the portal. So after fulfill your inventory, look like you can check your inventory. Manage inventory. Actually, I am seeing some about the practical, how to work there. Look like it. Check it there. Suppose you have you can enter your stock, how much stock you available. So what exactly information required? That's the title. Product name, how to know your, whenever the customer buying your product, how to know your products. This is the product title. Whenever see the buyer sites, like a customer side, look at here. This is the title here. This is the bullet point. Bullet point like your product information. How to know your customer about the product. What kind of material use, what kind of size, whatever you can think about. You can explain about the product information. This is the product description about the products. Explain about the products. And this is the bullet points. Bullet point like this is this kind of things. 5 point is required. And record your product keywords. Whenever you are searching the Google platform, no, you're typing some things, automatically is visible some keywords, just like a keywords. How to find your products? Customer keyword means your keywords. You can also analyze the keywords. Whenever you see the Amazon.in, no, you can type also. Suppose what exactly records. Bed sheet. So bed sheet for double sheet. This is your keywords. Whatever, lots of thinking is there. And your details about your product, manufacturer, who manufacture your products, style name, each and everything. Lots of information is there. This all the information Amazon help you the cataloging. This cataloging it's not recorded by you, so Amazon will help you and also give you the training through remote desktop. And this is the payment, your user informations, seller user information. You can change also after sign up. Look at here. Amazon info. This is your informations. This is a store name. What exactly store name? Look at here. Whenever customer buying your product, no, sold by your customer name. Look at here. This is a store name. That's kind of showing the store name. As a merchant, suppose you are selling on Amazon, suppose you are not available 48 hours. So that time you can also close your account. Close it's like you inactive your account. After you are available, then you can resume. Suppose you are not available 48 hours. So someone buying your product, you are unable to pick up your product, no. So that time your limit time, 48 hours maximum pickup time. Suppose you get order, within 48 hours pick your products. If not that, you get some penalties. Its mean is why customer waiting for you. That's the options. You can also save. After that also you can resume. Madam told you no. So where is the northeast warehouse? Yeah, look at here. This is the warehouse address. That's called multi-seller flex. Multi-seller flex, it's Amazon partner warehouse. This is the Amazon direct warehouse. Look at here, Amazon fulfillment center. Code number SGA. Kamrup location. This is the payment method. 7-day recycle process. You can also see your disbursement. Two kind of the orders you will get that. Prepaid, postpaid. Prepaid is mean very well known, and postpaid just like a COD. You will get the notifications. This is the payment method here. You can also visible your payment details, order wise. And this is the track your performance report. So whenever you are selling in Amazon, keep your report. 1% should be your defected rate. Suppose your defected rate above 10%, so your account will risk. So late dispatch, you already told you 48 hours maximum pickup time. If it not fulfill within 48 hours, that account will risk. And pre-fulfillment cancel, it's 2%. This is the things you have maintained your track reports. And this is the B2B market is there. B2B, it's bulk products. Customer buying your product bulky. Bulk, it's like a 10 quantity, 20 quantity, depend your product, how many quantities there. It's to get some, suppose you are give some opportunity, he'll give buying you more and more products. After that, how to process your order. This is the things. This is the process, the products. You can handle that. You can check the product track line. What statistic is there. Any more questions? Everything's over now. Yes, please,
Last
ma'am.
one question.
Yes, please.
Every year sales होता है ना कि दिवाली sales हो गया, New Year sales हो गया, Christmas sales हो गया. इसमें जो sales होता है हमारे products जो है मान लो कि 50% off कर दिया तो 50% जो है वो Amazon pay करेगा या
नहीं, depend. Amazon आपको push करेगा. आप कितने % off दे सकते हो. Amazon खुद से कुछ नहीं करेगा.
ओके हम कितना दे सकते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग.
ऐसे नॉर्मली आप लोगों का प्रमोशन कारीगरी एंड सहेली का जो भी होता है दिखाया आपको, वो प्रमोशन जो भी होता है अमेजन बाय डिफॉल्ट आपके लिए करेगा. सोशल नेटवर्क में भी करेगा, अमेजन प्लेटफॉर्म में भी करेगा. उसके लिए अलग से आपको कोई पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
थैंक यू.
ठीक है. सपोज आपने अभी प्रोडक्ट जितने भी आपने मैन्युफैक्चर किया है, सपोज प्रोडक्ट सेल नहीं हुआ बहुत सारा, ऑब्वियसली ना वन टाइम आएंगे थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट 20% ऑफ देके सेल कर देंगे, बेनिफिट तो आपको मिलेगा. प्रोडक्ट सोल्ड आउट हो जाएंगे, न्यू मैन्युफैक्चर करेंगे. सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ थिंग्स. इसी हिसाब से सेल वगैरह होता है.
थैंक यू.
एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? सर एनी मोर क्वेश्चन सर? Thank you for coming here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.